Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. There's only so long that you can go without sleep. And as we all know, after a while, we start getting really grumpy. Thanks to being able to try out these earplugs from PQ, I have been sleeping a lot better. The best part about these earplugs is they're especially made for small ears. I always have a hard time with in-ear headphones and earplugs because the canal of my ear is so small. These earplugs are great because all you have to do is twist them and then put them in your ear. You can actually hear it expanding so that it fits right into the form of your ear, and they stay in all night. I use these at night because my husband has become quite the snorer these days, and they really block out so much of that sound. So being able to have these has been a real lifesaver. I can keep a pair of these in my bag, and that way whenever I need them, I know that they'll be safely stored in my bag and they won't be crushed and already deteriorating because of just hanging out in my purse. Being able to sleep with outside noises is really difficult, so having these great helpers is really awesome. I also love using them in other times when I just need to block out that outside noise but still be able to hear and be able to concentrate when I need to. Thank you so much, PQ, because I really love these earplugs, and that's my point of view.